Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Welcome to FilipinoPod101.com's Filipino sa 3 minuto. The fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Filipino. Kamusta? Ako si Erica. Kinagagalak kong makilala ka. Hi, I'm Erica. Nice to meet you. In this series, we're going to learn basic Filipino expressions. It's super easy and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Filipino. Are you ready? Here we go. Kamusta? Ako si Erica. Kinagagalak kong makilala ka. Hi, I'm Erica. It's nice to meet you. Kamusta? Ako si Erica. Kinagagalak kong makilala ka. Did you get it? Let's take it step by step. Start by saying, Kamusta? This means, how are you? But is commonly used to say, hi in Filipino. Next, say, Ako si, I am, and then your name. My name is Erica, so I'll say, Ako si Erica. Finally, say, Kinagagalak kong makilala ka. This means, it's nice to meet you. Kinagagalak kong makilala ka. Kamusta? Ako si Erica. Kinagagalak kong makilala ka. Next, we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves in formal Filipino. But first, I'll teach you 2 words that turns any Filipino sentence formal. They are po and opo. Po, opo. All Filipinos learn these 2 words when they are young because they are a must when speaking politely to those who are older. Now here's how to introduce yourself in formal Filipino. Kamusta po? Ako si Erica Reyes. Kinagagalak ko po kayong makilala. How are you? I'm Erica Reyes. It's nice to meet you. Kamusta po? Ako si Erica Reyes. Kinagagalak ko po kayong makilala. Did you notice the word po in this introduction? Let's compare it with the informal introduction we learned earlier. First, we have kamusta po instead of just kamusta. As we've said before, kamusta means how are you and has essentially the same use as hi in English. It comes from the Spanish phrase como esta. We add the word po to this to make it polite. For the next sentence, there is no need to change ako si or I am. However, saying your full name is considered more formal. In the Philippines, we say our first names first and last names last. Finally, pay attention to the ending. We went from kinagagalak kong makilala ka to kinagagalak ko po kayong makilala. Ka or you is changed to the plural pronoun kayo to make the sentence more formal. The pronoun is moved to the front of the verb, and ng is added to connect the words. Finally, we also add po to the sentence to show respect. One more time. The informal way to introduce yourself in Filipino is, Kamusta? Ako si Erica. Kinagagalak kong makilala ka. The formal way to introduce yourself is, Kamusta po? Ako si Erica Reyes. Kinagagalak ko po kayong makilala. Now it's time for Erica's tips. Have you gotten hold of saying, Kinagagalak kong makilala ka? Well, you might be surprised, but Filipinos say, Nice to meet you, more often than its Filipino counterpart. This is because many English words and phrases are used in daily conversation since English is the second official language of the Philippines. Filipinos also shake hands during first meetings, just like in many Western cultures. But of course, if you use the proper Filipino introduction, Your new Filipino friends will definitely be impressed. Do you know how to say thank you in Filipino? How about you're welcome? Watch the next Filipino sa 3 minuto lesson to find out. See you next time. Hanggang sa muli!
Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Conversation About Family Well-Being PDF cheat sheet for free. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay ayos naman.
Once more with the English translation.
Kumusta ang nanay mo?
How's your mother?
Siya ay ayos naman.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's,
Kumusta ang nanay mo?
listen to it again.
Kumusta ang nanay mo? Kumusta ang nanay mo?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Siya ay
state of well-being. But it translates as she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
siya ay ayos naman. Siya ay ayos naman.
Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great,
Mabuti. Mabuti.
fine,
Ayos naman. Ayos naman.
so-so,
Medyo okay. Medyo okay.
not good,
Hindi mabuti. Hindi mabuti.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay mabuti. Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay medyo okay. Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay hindi mabuti.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, how's your mother?
Kumusta ang nanay mo?
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say, great?
Mabuti. Mabuti.
Say, she's great.
Siya ay mabuti.
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay mabuti.
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
Medyo okay. Medyo okay.
Say, she's so-so.
Siya ay medyo okay.
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay medyo okay.
Now imagine she's not good. Do you remember how to say not good?
Hindi mabuti. Hindi mabuti.
Say, she's not good.
Siya ay hindi mabuti.
Now, answer the question saying she's not good.
Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay hindi mabuti.
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell me how you are today. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!
In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Filipino. Hi everybody, my name is Camille. Welcome to the 800 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Filipino. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we'll include the previous lessons at the end. So, after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you learned in previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at filipinopod101.com. Click the link to the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Filipino. Okay, let's get started. First is Kumusta? Hello. Kumusta? Kumusta? Hello. Kumusta, Maria? Hello, Maria. Kumusta, Maria? Mawalang galang lang. Excuse me. Mawalang galang lang. Mawalang galang lang. Excuse me. Mawalang galang lang. Nakita niyo ba ang aso ko? Excuse me, have you seen my dog? Mawalang galang lang. Nakita niyo ba ang aso ko? Pasensya na. I'm sorry. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. I'm sorry. Pasensya na po, hindi na po mauulit. I'm sorry, it won't happen again. Pasensya na po, hindi na po mauulit. Magandang gabi. Good night. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Good night. Alis na ako. Magandang gabi. I'll go now. Good night. Alis na ako. Magandang gabi. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Nice to meet you. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Nice to meet you. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka, sir. Nice to meet you, sir. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka, sir. Kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? How are you? Uy, kumusta ka? Hey, how are you? Uy, kumusta ka? Oo. Yes. Oo. Oo. Yes. Oo, naiintindihan ko. Yes, I understand. Oo, naiintindihan ko. Hindi. No. Hindi. Hindi. No. Hindi. Ayoko niyan. No, I don't like that. Hindi. Ayoko niyan. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat, pero hindi ako ang nag-order nito. Thank you, but I didn't order this. Salamat, pero hindi ako ang nag-order nito. Ako si. I'm. Ako si. Ako si. I'm. Ako si Erica. I'm Erica. Ako si Erica. Paalam. Goodbye. Paalam. Paalam. Goodbye. Paalam, ingat. Goodbye, take care. Paalam. Ingat. Masama. Bad. Masama. Masama. Bad. Siya ay lalaking masama. He's a bad boy. Siya ay lalaking masama. Mabuti. Good. Mabuti. Mabuti. Good. Ang gulay ay mabuti para sa iyo. Vegetables are good for you. Ang gulay ay mabuti para sa iyo. Maganda. Pretty. Maganda. Maganda. Pretty. Maganda ang damit mo. Your dress is pretty. Maganda ang damit mo. Pangit. Ugly. Pangit. Pangit. Ugly. Ang pangit na sisiw na pato ay naging isang magandang gansa. The ugly duckling became a beautiful swan. Ang pangit na sisiw ng pato ay naging isang magandang gansa. Madali. Easy. Madali. Madali. Easy. Ang pagrenta ng kotse ay hindi laging madali. Renting a car is not always easy. Ang pagrenta ng kotse ay hindi laging madali. Mahirap. Difficult. Mahirap. Mahirap. Difficult. Ang Ingles ay mahirap. English is difficult. Ang Ingles ay mahirap. Malapit. Near. Malapit. Malapit. Near. Ako ay nakatira malapit sa universidad. I live near the university. Ako ay nakatira malapit sa universidad. Malayo. Far. Malayo. Malayo. Far. Ang babae ay nakatingin sa isang bagay na malayo. The woman is looking at something far away. Ang babae ay nakatingin sa isang bagay na malayo. Maliit. Small. Maliit. Maliit. Small. Ang kotse ay maliit, ngunit ito ay talagang malakas. The car is small, but it's very powerful. Ang kotse ay maliit, ngunit ito ay talagang malakas. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at filipinopod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversations. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time! Paalam!
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.